And of course, Ellen White, in the previous paragraph, the last paragraph we considered last night, actually advocates the experimental method of gaining a knowledge of the principles involved in the action, whatever the action may be in the circumstances. This is why we need to test our own experiences. If we have an experience and it seems to point to a certain conclusion, we need to find out, is our interpretation of that experience actually in harmony with natural law? It's also interesting that Ellen White says it is in conflict with the unchangeable principles of nature. It's not as though nature has this way of operating, and then, in your particular case, it's just suddenly going to operate in a totally different way that's contrary to how it normally operates. That's kind of how most people view a miracle. A miracle is supposed to be an event which cannot be explained by material means, by natural processes. It has to be explained by invoking the supernatural, the immaterial, the non-physical. So it's like, well, forget the principles of nature right now. This is a different experience. That's not anything that Ellen White viewed as possible. The things which we typically think of as miracles mentioned in the New Testament, for example, it's very interesting reading Ellen White's comments on those passages because they reveal that she understood them as not actually being supernatural events, understanding supernatural to refer to that which is outside of and beyond the natural realm, material reality.